Hey everybody, it's a wonderful warm Monday. It's actually approaching the 90s. It's kind of warm out here. That's crazy for the 1st of April. But yeah, I guess nature's getting one last gag in on us for April Fool's Day. Well, we have our Victor, the loaner part model that sent its globe plate and filler cap to the S.G.L Crystal, so that could enjoy those pieces. And since I had a replacement globe plate and guard and whatnot, I painted them black so they could blend in a little better with the lantern itself. I will probably get some other colors and spritz them and blend it in further so it looks more aged, and will blend in with the patina of the lantern itself. So that'll be fun. Continuous project, but I really kind of taken a shine to this lantern, and it's just a really nice old piece. It's got dents, holes. We know the problems of this piece. It's not a stranger to that. We're not a stranger to that, but I think it's a good lantern. It doesn't leak. It burns very nicely, and yeah, it's a good piece, and I think I'll keep it around and enjoy it on a camp out and other travels. I do take lanterns when I travel distances because if we're going to be staying any number of days, it's nice to sit out on a friend's porch or family's porch and late evening and just enjoy the soft glow while I enjoy a pipe and whatnot. So yeah, it's good to have it. So this might be the travel lantern. I had the other one travel with us to holidays last year, but this one will definitely be, I think, the replacement. So the other ones can stay safe in the garage. So that being said, hope everybody's having a great holiday. It's Cesar Chavez Day for those in California, and it's also April Fool's. So it's 2 days in one. Interesting day online, I'll tell you. Facebook has been quite entertaining, to say the least. And then of course I forgot that I was going to try and renew my DMV records and everything today. I forgot that those offices are closed. So oh well, another week, another day. Have a great one, everybody, and we'll be catching you again soon, and have a wonderful week. Take care. Bye.